Hey, what is up, guys? So today I'm back with the next video, and today I want to talk about the Apple Watch deal. So Apple Watch deals for 2020 Black Friday. This is a video for you if you're looking for that. So like I said, let's get right into the video. So the 40mm Apple Watch SE, which came out this year, is $259 at Best Buy. The usual price is $280. So you're saving like $30 right there. With $30 can go a far way. You can buy some gas for your car, or you can buy some groceries, or all those stuff. It might be small, but you're definitely saving some money right there. And once you're saving money, that's good news. I don't know about you, but that is good news for me. And you can also score a 44mm Apple Watch SE at Amazon for $289, which the usual price is $309. So you're saving like what, $19 right there, or $20. It's also available at Best Buy. You guys can go check it out. Also, as I said, these savings are small, but a deal is a deal, and you're saving money, which is good news. As I said, I don't know about you, but when I'm saving money, that is good news for me. And the Apple Watch Series 6, which is a new one that came out this year with GPS, blue and red, is $330 at Amazon. The usual price is $399. So you're saving like what? What's the price difference right there? You're saving like, I would say $69 if my math is right. I think you're saving $69, which is a lot of money right there. The same size is also on sale at Walmart, but only the red color option is available. So that's basically it for this, guys. I just want to talk about the Apple Watch deals. You guys can check out my previous videos that I did. I did a video talking about Black Friday deals for iPhone, for iMac, for what else, for iPad, for Beats, for the Apple Watch, which is this one. So you guys can go check it out. Those will be linked down below in the comment, not in the comment section. It will be linked down below in the description, and I think I will be pinning it in the comment section. So go and check it out if you want some deals on Apple products. But that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you reach this far, please consider subscribing to the channel, and please consider giving this video a thumbs up. But that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Until my next video, guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.